How to fix Realme 13 randomly shuts off. So let's start the video. First of all, check your volume and power keys because it can suddenly pressed while using the hard case of your phone. So firstly check your volume and power keys. After that, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on schedule power on or off. If you turn on your schedule power on off, then turn off these buttons. After turn off these buttons, then go back and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.